A mechanic pulled an engine apart last month, bearings scored down to bare metal. The car had 90,000 miles, barely broken in. The owner had been running the wrong oil viscosity for 3 years without knowing it. One habit, $4,000 in damage. 11 common driving habits that are quietly destroying your car right now. Most drivers do at least 3 of these daily, and habit number 1 can wreck an engine in under 15,000 miles. Habit number 11, topping off coolant with tap water. Looks simple and cheap, but tap water contains calcium and magnesium that build up inside radiator passages and heater cores with every heat cycle. Like cholesterol clogging arteries, the coolant still flows, but worse and worse over time. First, the car runs hotter in traffic. Then, the heater stops working. Then comes the sweet smell inside the cabin and foggy windows. That's a leaking heater core. Corrosion is the second problem. Minerals increase water conductivity and accelerate wear on aluminum components. Mixing different coolant types makes it worse. Some combinations form a thick gel that clogs passages and destroys the water pump. Final result? Overheating and $1,000 to $2,000 in repairs. Always use the correct coolant with distilled water. If you've been using tap water long-term, a full system flush now could save you from catastrophic failure later. Habit number 10, driving with miscalibrated sensors. Modern cars rely on sensors and stability control, ABS, lane keep assist, and automatic braking. The problem is that almost any change to your car can throw these sensors off. Got an alignment? Replace suspension parts? Change the windshield? Had a minor front-end bump? All of it can affect how safety systems behave. Without recalibration, the car starts misreading reality, steering correcting itself on the highway, random braking events, warning lights with no clear cause. In an emergency, stability control uses steering angle data to decide how to save you. If that data is wrong, the correction can be delayed or completely incorrect, meaning loss of control when it matters most. Most drivers have no idea their safety systems are operating on bad data after a routine service. The fix is simple, but almost nobody does it. Anytime you touch suspension, alignment, or windshield components, get a sensor recalibration. Think of it as a digital alignment for your car's brain. Habit number 9, replacing tires the wrong way. Replacing just 2 tires seems like a money saver, but on AWD vehicles, it can cause serious drivetrain damage. New tires have a larger diameter than worn ones. Even a small difference creates conflict between wheels. The system interprets it as traction loss and constantly compensates, generating heat and wear inside the center differential or transfer case. That cheap tire swap turns into a $2,000 plus repair. Another common mistake, putting the best tires on the front. Sounds logical, but it's wrong. Vehicle stability comes primarily from the rear axle. Less grip in the back means the car is far more likely to spin in wet conditions. Best tires always go on the rear. On AWD vehicles, replace all 4 or stay within the manufacturer's recommended tread difference. I've seen this mistake more times than I can count, and it's always the driver who thought they were being smart about saving money. Habit number 8, excessive engine idling. Seems harmless, especially on cold mornings or while waiting. But at idle, the engine doesn't reach operating temperature efficiently. Fuel doesn't burn completely and ends up contaminating the oil. Over time, this reduces lubrication quality and increases internal wear. I used to warm up my car for 10 minutes every winter morning. Turns out, I was doing more harm than good. Direct injection engines suffer even more. Carbon builds up on valves, pistons, and injectors, leading to misfires and rough operation. Diesel engines are the worst. Excessive idling clogs the DPF and triggers constant regeneration cycles. The correct approach: start the engine, wait 30 seconds to 1 minute, then drive gently. This warms everything up faster and keeps the combustion chamber cleaner than 10 minutes of sitting in your driveway ever will. And stay with me, because the habits coming up next are the ones that cause the most expensive damage. Habit number 7, lugging the engine. This happens when you're in too high a gear for your speed. The car shakes, jerks, and makes that struggling choking sound. That's the engine being forced beyond its limits. In turbocharged engines, you'll hear knocking, metallic pinging from detonation inside the cylinder. There's no middle ground here. This stress can damage pistons, bend connecting rods, and cause catastrophic failure. At low RPM and high load, oil flow is also insufficient. Internal friction spikes, and critical components like the crankshaft and bearings wear at an accelerated rate. Engines can suffer irreversible damage in under 30 minutes of this kind of driving. The rule: if the car is shaking or struggling, downshift. The engine needs to spin freely, not fight against itself. Habit number 6. Resting your hand on the gear shifter. Feels natural, but even light pressure on the shifter pushes the selector fork against the synchronizer, components that are designed for quick contact and not constant pressure. This generates heat and premature wear inside the transmission. Over time, shifts become harder. Grinding noises appear. In severe cases, the gear can pop out into neutral at highway speed. Extremely dangerous. Both hands on the wheel. Use the shifter only when changing gears. Simple change that protects a component most people can't afford to replace. Habit number 5. Skipping the parking brake. Shifting into park without engaging the parking brake puts all the vehicle's weight on the parking pawl, a small metal component inside the transmission that wasn't designed to hold 2 tons on its own, especially on hills. Over time, it wears. When it breaks, the car rolls away. Property damage at best, people at worst. The correct sequence: stop, shift to neutral, engage parking brake, then shift to park. Weight goes to the brakes, not the transmission. Takes 3 seconds and prevents $900 to $1,500 in repairs. Habit number 4. Abusing launch control. If your car has launch control, it was built for occasional use, not every traffic light. Each activation hammers the clutch, transmission, axles, and differential. Some transmissions limit activations to around 50 total before components start failing. Real cases exist of transmissions destroyed before 20,000 miles from overuse. Use it sparingly and understand your car's limits. Habit number 3. Using low-quality fuel. By 30,000 miles, most engines develop significant carbon buildup. Fuel quality directly determines how fast that happens. Lower quality fuels contain fewer detergent additives. Studies show fuels with better additive packages create up to 19 times fewer deposits. The cost of a fuel intake and fuel system cleaning runs $300 to $800. Saving a few cents per gallon now can cost you hundreds of dollars later. Run top-tier gasoline consistently. The small price difference is protection you can measure. Habit number 2. Constantly driving on low fuel. Your fuel pump relies on gasoline for cooling. Running the tank near empty exposes the pump to air and heat, cutting its lifespan in half. A pump that should last 100,000 plus miles can fail far sooner. When it starts going, the car can stall while driving. Dangerous at highway speed and terrifying at intersections. Never let your tank drop below a quarter. Cheapest habit on this list, most expensive to ignore. Habit number 1. Using the wrong oil viscosity. This is the one that destroys engines fastest, and the reason I started this video with a real repair story. Modern engines operate with extremely tight tolerances. Oil that's too thick or too thin causes lubrication failure in critical areas, overheating, and can damage variable valve timing systems. This isn't theoretical. There are documented cases of engines destroyed in under 15,000 miles from incorrect oil. Depending on the damage, repairs run $1,000 to $3,000 or more. Warped cylinder heads, cracked blocks, complete failure. The correct spec is on your oil cap and in your manual. If you've been running the wrong viscosity, do a full oil change immediately. Every mile on incorrect oil is accelerating wear that you can't reverse. 11 habits. Most of them take seconds to fix, but the damage they cause, when ignored, runs into the thousands of dollars. If even one of these made you rethink something you do every day, Hit subscribe, because most drivers don't learn this until it's already on the repair bill. Drop a comment. Which habit were you guilty of? The best conversations always come from drivers who share what they've learned the hard way.